Hi everyone, this is Fernando Rebozo, and I am doing this video for an agent that called me and asked me for some guidance. So how to use Client Creator, since I'm one of the biggest fans for this website that has all the systems that you need in order for you to create clients. So since I'm doing this video for one person, I decided to go ahead and take this opportunity to show everybody about why I like Client Creator. And as you can see, this is my main page. Once you get into this main page, you will see the different things that you can do it here. We have 25 email campaigns over here where you can edit yourselves, but most of those email campaigns are well written that you can use right away. Then most importantly is that you have lead capture pages. This is what I use to put them in Facebook or AdWords, anywhere where I can have somebody to look at it, and then once they click on it, I can capture their them as a lead. I have a total of 51 pages. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the latest things, because it'll take too long for me to show you everything that's in here, but I'm going to go to my web page creator where I have all my landing pages, everything that is working for me, and where people will be able to put that information so I can capture them as a lead. Alright, one of the latest things that we have, it is this new one that they have created as a way to expand our listings with other people. So this is basically like a postlets. If you know about postlets, where you have a listing, you put your listing in, but this is like a completely more than a regular postlet or a regular listing page. And let me give you a little preview of what's this all about. So I created this page by just filling in a few things, and basically we're going to go through the process so I can show you what is the final product, and I'll show you how to do this yourself. As you can see, immediately it's asking me whether I want to allow my computer's location or not. This is something that is going to happen to everybody who comes into the page. And this is a way to capture actually the IP address of the person who's utilizing, who landed on this page, and you can actually see where they're coming from. And if you decided, you can actually send them something like a postcard or an email, or give them a call if you have the tools to be able to find the names and the name of the people that are living in the property where the IP address resides. So the final product is this. This is a new listing that I have on Winding Woods Way. So we put the picture, and what I like to do is actually use this as a way to tell a story about a home. Why will someone will be able to be interested in this house to make them their home? I want to give them a little glimpse of what it is to live in this house and on this neighborhood. So obviously the first thing that we do, we give them the image of the house, which is scrolling automatically, so it shows all the different images of the pictures of the inside of the house so they can see what it looks like. So once they have all the information, then they can see a little bit more information about the property itself. And the most important factor is I do say that you can scroll down for the latest price, because I don't want to give anyone the price yet, because this is something that is specific to my landing page, and this is really my hook, basically, to make sure that someone will reveal themselves. They want more information about this house, but first of all, I got to convince them that this house is the place where they need to be. So not only giving the pictures, but then I'm going to give them a little more information about the location. So I show them that if they're relocating to Clarksville, Maryland, and obviously anyone who's coming in from a city next door to Clarksville, they'll be relocating to Clarksville. So they want to know more about what Clarksville is all about. So I tell them about this, a little information. What are the neighborhoods like? So I tell them what type of neighborhoods there is in Clarksville, how many people live there. I talked about entertainment, restaurants, shopping, the housing, the schools, and I even give them a typical drive around Clarksville Street with this video here that they can watch. And this is something that I created by just putting my iPhone on my dash in my car and just driving through the neighborhood. So finally, I talk a little bit more about the property. What I said is only 2 years old, and there's a lot of people that are competing, are actually thinking about buying a home in Clarksburg. There are brand new homes because there's a lot of brand new construction in Clarksburg. So here I actually tell them the story, why they should buy this house that's only 2 years old as opposed to buying a brand new home, because I want to give them a glimpse of what it is. So basically I say that, you know, you're buying a brand new house that needs many touches before you can call it a home. And I want them to see this house as a home because it already has all the things that you needed to be a home. Obviously on this one we have the map of the property, where it's located, and then I put actual videos of the house, the interior, the exterior, you know, just to give you an idea what it is and why you should live in this place. So basically, I'm giving them a showing of the house, giving them all the information they need in just one place. And they could be doing this at 2 o'clock in the morning from the comfort of their own homes. And now they're seeing the streets, they're driving around the neighborhood, they see all the qualities of the home, they see about information about the schools, they see information about restaurants, shopping, they even see what it's going to look like when they're standing in front of the house. And obviously then, this is where I come over here and ask them to give me more information. I want to invite them to see, read the full e-brochure that I prepared for this house, which is another tool that I used in order for me to actually market all my listings. And then I ask them to request the latest, just updated price below. So they have to put their name, email address, and cell phone number. You know, and obviously for one more thing I want to add to this is that I'm going to offer them a free warranty. If they sign up now, they will get a free warranty even if they're working with another realtor. That's an offer that we presented to anybody who's looking at this that may want to buy, and they may already have a realtor. So I want to capture their name and numbers. So when they call me, I will ask them, they're working with a realtor, and obviously I will be in touch with the realtor to make sure that they show their clients this house that they're interested in. Then basically, once they do that, they sign up, and we do all the work for them. So it's very important you need to understand that the whole concept of this presentation for the house is not only just to sell the house, but at the same time, it does create a glimpse of the services you have for buyers, for sellers, for your own sellers, for your own listings. So when a home seller is telling you that when you have a listing that is not moving, they're going to be asking you, what have you done for me lately? You know, and these are the things that you need to show them. This is the things that you're creating in order for you to facilitate the showings of their house to make sure that they sell this as quick as possible. And once they see that you're working, once they see that you put in quality material, then they are more at peace with you and they have more patience for you to try to sell the property. And this is what helps me to maintain information with my listing clients every single week, telling them what have I done for them lately so they can feel okay. So now I'm going to show you how you create all this in one single setting on ClientCreator.com. So now this is the listing template that I created for this particular property. So I'm going to go to edit, and once I go to edit, now it's going to show me all the information that I need. So over here it's going to ask you very basic and simple questions. You know, first of all, you got to assign an email campaign, and as you can see, there is different email campaigns that you have, and you can assign for every one of them. In this case, it's for a buyer, so I assign the buyer prospect campaign, and then we update it. Then you can also shorten your URL if that's what you need to do. Normally, if it's a long URL, you can add that and get a different URL, so it'll be a shorter URL for your listing. Then we're using this template design that's automatic. We're gonna name the website, which is the address of the property. And so far I already have 71 hits on this property, and I added some more information on this, but this is something that is also giving me page statistics. How many people they actually come and come to see the property, the information. I can refine the background color. I can change the background pattern, so you can see that it's a difference. To give you an example, this is the black that you see on the side. If you want something different, you can do that, something different, some different color. These are the headlines. Fall in love with this home, which is basically this part. Fall in love with this home. So you can change the headlines. You put all the images and the pictures that you want to show about the property. You put more information. I can see this is the things that I put, where you can put a scroll down for the latest price, which this is exactly what you see here. Scroll down for the latest price. And so we continue going down, and this is where the listing features come in there, talking about the baths and kitchen, upgraded appliance, etc. So then there's a description, and this is what is something special about this landing page, is that you can change the description and pretend you're doing a blog, or you're writing a blog, and this is something that you can put on directly from your blog. You can copy, and this is exactly what I did. I wrote a blog about Clarksville, Maryland, relocation to Clarksville, Maryland, and I copy and pasted the whole blog in this particular property because we are in Clarksville, Maryland, and I'm able to talk about the entertainment, restaurants, shopping, and housing from the blog that I wrote a long time ago. The only thing I did is change a few things that are going to be more talking about the property itself. And I was able also to download the video, and the video that you see here is actually this video where people can actually just drive around the neighborhood, and they can see different things that they can find in the streets around Clarksville, Maryland. So then once I finish, I update that, and it's done. So you can see, as you can see, you can put a lot of information here about the particular city where you're selling the house and give them the information, and also you can have links going to different parts of your website here as well. So then this is the part that go on the bottom, and you can actually put links to different areas. So when I put read full e-brochure here, I basically I'm asking them if they want to see the full brochure. So when they click on that, they will go directly to my brochure. That is it's a brochure that I wrote. It's in PowerPoint about the house, and providing information about houses, about the house, giving them a lot more pictures in a different method, and giving them always something that is highlighting the best features of the house. And you want to give them all the pictures. This is what sells a house, and this is what sellers, your listing clients, are begging for you to do this. And you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars just to do one thing. You can do all this in one sitting, in 1 hour. You can create all the videos and everything that you need to do for a property. You put maps, where the property is located, community pool. You talk about the main features. You talk about the amenities waiting for you. I talk about the things that I like in the area where you can do stuff. And I also tell them the pathway to buy this home, which is calling me for sure, and then going through the process for me to be able to help them buy the house. So I tell them, relax. Let me do all the hard work for you. And all you need to do is just call me to be able to give them all the information about this home. This is the brochure that I have, in which they can just click on here and they can also see. So this stuff is what's selling for me. This is the stuff that people are looking at 2 o'clock in the morning, and they are not being bothered by realtors telling them, hey, can I help you, can I help you, can I help you? The people are taking their time. They see in these videos, they see in these pictures, and then that's when they call you, or this is when they start putting their name and says, I need to talk to this person because I really like this house. So you want to make the reader, the buyer, fall in love with your listing. And this is the stuff that we use every single time we get a listing. We have to provide them with all this information. And all you have to do is create this this form, and it's a page basically in Client Creator where you have your own URL. And this is the one that I use to go to my Facebook account and put this URL, and you can sponsor as an ad so people can click on this to making sure that you get some clicks on the property. And this is what we're going to do next on this property. We're going to bring traffic. It's not like you have all the SEO in the world for people to come directly to this page. You have to bring the traffic. You have to pay for the traffic. And I don't have time to be blogging and blogging and blogging to try to bring people to this house, to this page, so they can fall in love with my listing. So what I need to do is I need to pay for it. So this is where I use these pages in Facebook. And obviously I don't want to advertise this on the city where the house is located. I want to look the cities where people live right now, that they more likely will like to come to live to this neighborhood, to this house, to this city, for all these benefits that there is in Clarksville, Maryland. So once I know who are those people, where do they live, this is when I drop my Facebook ad to be able to get them to click on this particular landing page, so I can get them to reveal themselves to me, so I can sell them the house. So this is another way how we use Client Creator. And as you know, just before I leave in this message, one of the biggest things the Client Creator gives you is actually, what is your home worth, and it does that in a way that is going to tell you not only when someone lands on the page where they are from, because it's going to reveal their URL, then you know exactly who, even if they don't sign up, you're going to know where they're coming from. So if you want to look at where, for example, this is a specific landing page for each city that I created, so I can put it in specific locations so people can get their home values, like this one from Germantown, Maryland. So I will do a preview so you can see it. So basically, where the people coming here and that they sign, even if they don't sign, I already know if obviously if they have a IP address, I will know where these people are coming from. So I'm going to show you some in another video how I utilize this, so I can capture people where they click on my homework values page, and even if they don't give me their name, once I know where the address is, I give them the postcards and I give them the value that they're looking for in a listing agent, so they can call me when they're ready to sell their home. And this is the other thing, I have landing pages for kitchen, bath remodeling. I got doctor loans, this is a specific landing pages that you can create in Client Creator, so you can seek people that are specific to what you're offering. In this case, just because my loan officer is offering this nice 100% financing to people that are going to be doctors, going to the medical profession, and because they are right now struggling and going to college, trying to become a doctor, this bank is going to offer them 100% financing. And obviously, I want people to do that and then be able to give them the information that they need in order for them to get 100% financing. That is where the landing page is. We do all types of stuff, and this is something for another house that I have, which I like. This one brings me a lot of leads sometimes when I use this technique for my listing, especially when they're coming up. I put a sign on front of the house with mysilverspringhouse.com, and I put underneath, get the price. So when they come to this landing page, obviously they don't see the price. They have to put their name, the email address in order for them to get the updated pricing on the house. And then, because they're curious, I want them to give me that information before I can give them the price. I'm not going to be that easy. So those are the things that we use in order for us to be able to get some leads every single day using Client Creator. And for the value that they have, I think it's a no-brainer. Everybody should have this. I hopefully this helped you, and if you have any questions, please send me an email message. I'll be glad to help you. Thank you, and have a great day.